Don't forget to hit the bell for reminders and subscribe. Okay, let's get into part 1 of this cabinet redo. We lived here for about 6-7 months. Absolutely loved the place. Absolutely hated the cabinets, so we decided to do something about it. And if you're interested in seeing how we did that, then just keep on watching.
If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
So as you can see, I've taken down all the top cabinets, just kind of breaking this project up, except those in the corners. So I'm going to take those down now. But yeah, this project is not a small project, but it is something I really wanted to do just to give my living space just more of a vibe for myself and my family. And because I like to record, and I think it'll just look better with updated cabinets. So either way, I'm doing the top cabinets, the top half first, and then I'm gonna work my way to the bottom at some point. But I plan on getting this done before the end of the summer, so before August, before my kids go back to school. So just keep watching.
Just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Like that. If it was you, it won't be like that. But I love when we make up like that. But maybe we just love like.
Okay, so I wanted to give you guys a close-up of what I'm doing so you can see that it's really easy. It's not hard at all. If you are measuring and you have the right dimensions, you really can just buy the contact paper that fits your cabinets perfectly. You see I cut out the center. My boyfriend told me I was wasting so much product using that, so I learned my lesson because he was so right. You also see me cutting the slits because it makes it easier for me to fold down instead of having to fold down a big chunk of the contact paper. Cutting those slits makes it a lot easier. So definitely get the tools. I'll have them listed down below to make sure you can really do this project how it needs to be done, or in the best way, the easiest way possible. Also, this heat gun here, don't be shy. Make sure you are heating that contact paper up so it can melt into your cabinets. Yeah, other than that, just keep on watching.
You give, you can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
Of course, I had to have a little dance break, a little wine just to get myself reset so I can do these doors. I chose to do the doors on a different day. As I told you before, this is not an easy project, but it is digestible. So yeah, just giving you some details right here with the contact paper and Spider-Man, because this stuff sticks. Like it's really, really good. I recommend 10 out of 10 recommend if you are trying to use this rather for temporary or even for a long-term situation. I am a renter, so I'm going to ask them if they want me to take them down, but honestly, they look so much better, such an upgrade compared to those brown cabinets. So yeah, I'm going to ask them if they want me to take it down. And if they don't, I'll leave them up. And if they do, it's going to be really easy to just reheat up and peel it right on off. So yeah, again, 10 out of 10, I recommend. Just so stay tuned, keep watching. I say yeah so much, so I'm just gonna go ahead and stop talking and let you watch the video.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you. smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true, D. I'm digging you, you make me believe your love is.
Okay, last thing I want to add before I go is that if you have more grooves than what you're seeing on my cabinets, it's probably going to be a more difficult, but it is doable. My boyfriend says I'm a person that literally thinks I can do everything or thinks that everything is easy. So I'm going to think the same for y'all as well, for sure. So get your crafts, get your tools. I know you can do it. Also, I am in love with this song that's playing now. I thought it would be great to just play it again. So if you like it too, you can just hear it again instead of rewinding the video. So I'm going to hush now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 2, which is coming very soon.
On the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that.